statement. You can see it looks the same here. This is day 1 or focus 1. Number 45 on there, I'm going to leave off. We should be able to do maybe 13 and 41 okay, just based on the previous examples from the previous video. 44 has a variable in it, so that's where it kind of gets a little different. So I'll start there. And in 45, it's more difficult, and it's more related to like day 2. So you should try it, but don't stress out if you mess up on it or if you didn't get it right. It's not a big deal right now. Okay, so here's 44. When you plug in, so this is j of 2a, and then it tells you what j of x is equal to. It's 1 minus 4x to the third. And all that's happening is we're plugging in 2a in place of x. So this would look like j of 2a equals, and now every place that x appears in this equation, is part of the expression, you plug in 2a. So I'm going to put parentheses around it. Anytime you substitute something in for another, you should always put parentheses around what you subbed in, because oftentimes like there's 2 little items here instead of just an x. So we want to make sure that this exponent is connecting to both of those items. So, and then this is just sort of operations. Your first step would be evaluate the exponent. There's nothing to do inside the parentheses, so we just evaluate the exponent. And off to the side here, just to kind of show what this looks like, if you have 2a raised to the third power, that you can think of it as 2a times 2a times 2a, because that's what an exponent means. Or there is a trick we'll kind of revisit later on. The exponent's basically going to be, in a way, distributed to both of these variables. So it'd be like 2 to the third, a to the third. And you can see that we'd end up with this either way, because you have 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 to the third, and a times a times a, which is a to the third. So this is 8a to the third. And now the parentheses don't mean a whole lot, because it's only separating it from a 4, which is multiplying it. So we can do the multiplication next. 1 minus 4 times 8 times a to the third is 32 a to the third. And the 4 doesn't, nothing happens with the a, because it's just, this expression is just 4 times 8 times a to the third. And we don't know what a is, so we're done there. And actually, we're done with the whole problem, because these two, this and this, are not like terms. This has connected with an a to the third, and this doesn't have any variables, so you can't subtract them. You are done right here. So this is j of 2a is equal to 1 minus 32a to the third.